My name is Inge Geraerts. I'm a Belgian physiotherapist specialized in pelvic education and associate professor at KU Leuven. I run several clinical studies aiming to improve physiotherapeutic treatments for urinary, fecal, and sexual dysfunctions in different populations. I will run a workshop at the ICS annual meeting in Abu Dhabi together with three of my colleagues. Dr. McLean, who is full professor at Queen's University and the University of Ottawa and specialized in the study of biomechanical and neurophysiological mechanisms responsible for urinary incontinence, pelvic pain, and functional deficits. Dr. Chantal Dumoulin, who is full professor at the University of Montreal and director and founder of the Women's Health and Aging Laboratory. Her main focus goes to pelvic health in older women. And Dr. Rebecca Das, who is affiliated to the University of South Australia and currently works and lives in New Delhi. Her research focuses on urinary urgency and pelvic floor dysfunction. Our workshop is entitled Pelvic Floor Exercises. How many repetitions did you say? Pelvic floor disorders affect hundreds of millions of women worldwide and carry enormous quality of life and healthcare cost burdens. Pelvic floor muscle training has level 1 evidence and recommendation A to be first-line treatment for female stress and mixed urinary incontinence and pelvic organ prolapse. For anal incontinence, pelvic floor muscle training is backed by level 1 to 2 evidence and earns a grade A to B recommendation. However, it is difficult for the clinician to see the forest for the trees. In particular, an evidence-based update is needed to address the ongoing debate regarding the how, when, where, how many, and how often one should focus on pelvic floor muscle training. This workshop aims to provide a bridge between scientific evidence and clinical practice. Key topics that will be covered include the fundamentals of exercise physiology as they apply to the pelvic floor, the role of pelvic floor muscle training in the management of urinary and anal incontinence and pelvic organ prolapse, dose response principles like frequency, intensity, volume, supervision, delivery methods in pelvic floor muscle training, and the tailoring of protocols to individual patient profiles and clinical realities. Our faculty brings together physiotherapy, urology, urogynecology, and colorectal perspectives. By dissecting pelvic floor muscle training dosage through the shared language of exercise science, we provide a common framework that surgeons, nurses, physiotherapists, and researchers can all use in daily practice and will bring the gap between theoretical knowledge and practical application. ICS-EUS is a truly valuable spot for networking with scientists from all over the world, sharing the latest evidence. This makes ICS-EUS 2025 the place where cutting-edge research meets day-to-day clinical problem solving.